If you're looking for a quick and effective way to collect customer feedback and run surveys using SuiteDash, you've come to the right place. This SuiteDash explainer will walk you through the process, showing you exactly how to leverage this powerful tool to gather valuable insights from your customers. Stay tuned till the end because we'll not only dive into how SuiteDash works, but also reveal an even better solution for your needs, one with exclusive free trial benefits just for you. To get started with SuiteDash, the first thing you need to do is set up your client portal. This is where your customers will engage with the surveys and provide feedback. It's an easy process. Simply navigate to the Client Portal tab in your SuiteDash dashboard and customize it with your branding. You can add survey links and feedback forms directly to this page, so customers can easily access them. Next thing you want to do is create your surveys. SuiteDash allows you to design surveys using the Forms feature. Here, you can set up custom feedback forms with various question types, like multiple choice, rating scales, and open-ended text. The drag-and-drop builder is incredibly intuitive, making it simple to tailor your surveys to meet your specific needs. Once your survey is set up, it's time to distribute it. You can send the surveys directly through SuiteDash via email or share a link on your client portal. SuiteDash also allows you to segment your customers, so you can target specific groups for more personalized feedback. This ensures that you're collecting insights from the right people and not sending surveys to customers who aren't relevant to the feedback you're looking for. The fourth thing to consider is analyzing your results. SuiteDash does offer some basic analytics, so you can quickly see responses to your surveys. However, this is where it starts to show some limitations. While you can track general feedback trends, if you're looking for more in-depth analysis, you'll have to export the data into another tool like Excel or Google Sheets. This can be a hassle for people who want everything streamlined in one place. Next up is automating follow-ups. SuiteDash offers automated email reminders for clients who haven't responded to surveys. This feature ensures that you're not missing out on any valuable feedback, and it saves you time by reducing manual work. But again, its automation capabilities are somewhat basic compared to more advanced survey platforms out there. Now, let's talk about integrations. SuiteDash does integrate with a range of third-party tools, but when it comes to surveys and customer feedback, it's somewhat limited. If you're running surveys that require more complex features or integrations with CRM platforms, you may find that SuiteDash doesn't provide the seamless experience you're hoping for. While SuiteDash is a solid option for customer feedback, it's not the most intuitive when you need advanced reporting or real-time survey results. If you're looking for a more robust solution that can help you collect, analyze, and act on feedback with minimal effort, I recommend checking out some alternatives that provide more specialized survey features. We've found some amazing platforms that offer better reporting and are more focused on gathering actionable insights from your surveys. And the best part? Through the link in the description, you can get access to an exclusive extended free trial for these top-tier alternatives. These platforms also offer fantastic free trials, so you can explore their features risk-free. Don't miss out on this offer. If you're looking for a streamlined experience with powerful survey features and the ability to gather actionable feedback faster, click the link and start your free trial today. You'll get the best possible offer, available only through our viewers' exclusive access.